Hi dear, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Chrome browser extensions as a zip or CRX file. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. First of all, open your Chrome browser. Then search for CRX Extractor Downloader. Now open this Chrome Web Store page and install this extension in your browser. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click on Continue to install. After that, click on Add Extension. Now click on the extensions icon and pin this extension. Next, open any extension that you want to download as a zip or CRX file. I am going to open the Google Translate extension as an example. Now, click on the CRX extractor icon that you pinned earlier. Here you will see two options. One is to download the extension as a zip file, and the other is to download it as a CRX file. Simply click on the format you want to download. Then choose the folder where you want to save the file. That's it. So friends, this is how you can download any Chrome extension as a zip or CRX file. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video.